Hi, Kevin. This is your tutor, Kim. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to read a story to you today since we haven't been able to get together for a bit. We're going to read the story Flying. You can follow along and read with me. Flying. Look up there, Mom. It's a bird flying high. I wish I could fly. I would see so much. If I could fly, I would see over buildings. If I could fly, I would see over trees. If I could fly, I would see over people. If I could fly, I would see over airplanes. If you could fly, I would be sad. Why would you be sad? Because I would miss you. Oh, hmm. What if you could fly too? Now, that would be fun. We would fly together. That was a good story. Can you tell me why does he want to fly? That's, that's good. Why would the mom be sad? Do you remember? I wish I could fly. That would be pretty cool. You could fly over your school and see all the other kids playing outside, and you can wave hi to them. Well, I'm going to go now. I am going to read you another story next week. So I hope you get to read this along with me. Have fun and can't wait to talk to you again. Bye now.